Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Today we've got a beer some of you may have seen before. It's been out a little while. It's from People Like Us. They're out of Denmark, and this is their Tea Party, a cream ale with green tea, coming in at 6% ABV. These guys are supported by Mikkeller, and so this was also brewed in Belgium by the Brewery in Belgium, for People Like Us. So there you go. Cream ales, more of a kind of over in the States kind of style of beer. We get a few here, but they're not really a bit like hard seltzers, although they seem to be making a bizarre appearance over here at the moment. So yeah, there you go. This beer was developed by Mikkeller and Stefan van Maaren. I'm butchering your name, sorry, for People Like Us. So there we go. We've got on the date here, Best Buy, the 31st of March of 2021, 330ml can then. Bit of snazziness with a can. Let's give it a try, cream ale. So, I'm not entirely up on cream ales because I very rarely have them, so just putting that out there. One of 3 beers from this brewery. That'll be a quick fire 3 reviews that I'll be posting. So by the time you see this, there'll be the other 2 up as well. So let's give it a tap there, just to show off my clean glass. Anyway, still early evening here. Half a finger whitehead. It's got a slight haze. It's more of a kind of a, I don't know, light orange, I guess. Put it into the light. Yeah, nice. There's some carbonation, nothing crazy. I say medium, not even medium haze really. Quarter haze if you like. So let's give it a swirl and a sniff. Quite vibrant, nice aroma, very fruity. A touch of pineapple, definitely getting it. Orange, fleshy orange, not a blood orange, just a fleshy bog standard orange. It smells decent. Give it a try. Cheers. First beer for a week. Oh, not bad. What's it got in brewed with? I want to see. Apart from the green tea, doesn't tell me. Not really getting. It's not crazy on that. Perhaps I just need a few mouthfuls just to get my head around it. It's a little bit herbal. A little bit drying as well. Quite floral, very smooth. It's alright, I mean, not really one for green teas or anything like that. Flavoured teas, I should be. It's good, they are good for you, but they're just not my thing. I just like my milky teas, not, you know, medium strength teas that I don't have very often. I'm more of a coffee person. Nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's got a half decent flavour to it. I think I've had 1 beer with green tea before, 1 or 2 maybe, over the last 5 years, but I've probably had 1 or 2 cream ales over that period as well. It's okay without wowing me. It's got some flavour there. So I'm just going to go straight into the actual rating of this one for me then. I think the overall style cream ale with green tea is like probably masking the actual style, I would say. I'd probably give this a 6 out of 10. Nothing wrong with it, it's just not something I would generally go for. But anyway, over to Untapped, see what they say. Oh, come on. There's all sorts of things. Collaboration with Mikkeller, brewed by Flying Couch Brewing. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's had a lot of check-ins, for almost 5,000 total. 2,477 in the last 30 days. And it's had 4,504 total ratings of this beer then, and it's coming in at 3.41. I'm giving this a straight 3, so it's a 6 out of 10 from me. I'm pretty sure I've had a collaboration with people like us before. I can't remember what brewery it was. I think it was a French brewery. It might have been Brasserie Pop-In or something like that. I can't remember. Or Frontal Brewing. Are they out of Austria or Switzerland? I can't remember. But anyway, there you go. People like us. Tea Party Cream Ale. Let me know if you've had it before. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.